This video teaches you how to turn on and off Argon. To power on Argon, long press the multifunction button for 2 seconds until power status voice prompt is heard.
Power OK.
When power is on, Argon reconnects to the last paired smartphone automatically. Here, Argon has successfully paired with a smartphone. The LED here flashes blue every 1 second. When power is on, but no smartphone is paired or pairing is failed, Argon LED flashes blue every 2 seconds. To turn off Argon, long press multifunction button for 3 seconds until power off voice prompt is heard.
Power off.
The LED light should be turned off right away. Also, Argon automatically turns off itself after being set idle for 3 minutes.
Power off.